how to fix Xbox app slow download speed on Windows. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue by using a few simple steps. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, go to search and type check for updates. Click on it, then scroll down and click advanced options. Scroll again and select delivery optimization. Now turn off allowed downloads from other PCs. Make sure it's switched off. Search for Xbox in the start menu. On the right side, click App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate, then click Repair. If the issue isn't resolved, click Reset and confirm by clicking Reset again. Search for CMD, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now type the following one by one and press Enter after each. ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. And after that, netsh winsock reset. Once all steps are completed, go back and click on Start menu and restart your computer. That should fix the issue. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.